Hello lovelies, on today's menu we have spinach sauce, very delicious and healthy. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and don't forget to like, share and leave me a comment. Thank you, and let's start cooking. My choice of protein for this recipe is fish, and I'm using the combination of red snapper and mackerel fish. You can use any proteins of your choice. And I will season with seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, chopped onions, minced ginger and garlic, and salt to taste. I will add water, cover and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I will introduce my other ingredients. I've got some fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, tatashe and bell peppers. I will blend and set it aside. And here is my fresh spinach. I'm using baby spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. At this time the fish is ready. In my preheated oil, I will go in with my onions and scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Next I will drop in the fish and allow it to fry. Once the fish is well fried, I will scoop it out and set it aside for later use. In the same oil, I will go in with my chopped onions, curry powder. If you can get fresh curry leaves, it goes so well in this sauce. Next I will go in with my blended peppers, and I will season with only seasoning cubes. Give it a good mix and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will go in with the fried fish stock. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to come to a boil. Next I will go in with my fresh spinach. You guys, this is spot of freshness and deliciousness. This sauce will make you to overfeed yourself, and don't overcook your vegetables. That is it for today's video. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. For me, I find happiness in every dish. Thank you, and always be positive, and see you in our next video. Bye guys.